Welcome back, everybody. I'm testing something with my GoPro today. I figured I'd bring you guys along, see if we can make a little video out of it. Just a quick, simple ride. We're gonna go take a look at my local gun range again and see if they've progressed any further with the rifle in the skeet area. And then also gonna take a spin down to my local lighthouse just to see if maybe they have progressed with the work that they're doing there as well. They're currently, I think they're increasing the parking lot size because it was super tiny. You could fit but maybe 20 vehicles in there, if even that. And a lot of days you would go to drive down there and they would just boot you out because there was no parking. And it's all a residential area. So let's take a look at this real quick. And hopefully when I'm testing out with my GoPro, it turns out to be fine. I'm just testing a higher resolution and a couple other mods on it to see if they work better. But let's go check out our local gun range real quick. I hope they've progressed with this. I have been wanting to get down here and hit the rifle range, and I've really been desperately wanting to skeet shoot. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. It's so crazy how Siri does not work on my phone when I'm going 2 miles an hour. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah. They're moving along with it. Only thing available right now is the pistol range. That's cool, but it also sucks. There's our archery range. I've taken you guys down that road a couple times. Really nice road. I love this DR. Always makes me wonder if somebody's gonna call DNR on me. I've never seen, knock on wood, I've never seen DNR patrolling through here. And most times you see a bike that has a headlight and mirrors on it, you assume it's a street legal bike, but you never really know. This bike's so tiny that it kind of just looks like a little 125. I've always been waiting for somebody to call DNR and then me to have DNR come back here and stop me and be like, yeah, we got a phone call. There's somebody back here riding a dirt bike. Be like, yeah, I sure am. That's right, they redid this road. Let's get a little speed, man. Boy, she's fast. Yeah. Fresh pavement. Hopefully my mic is working again. I decided to use my internal mic. I'm sorry, my external mic, my internal helmet mic. And there should be no wind noise. It should sound great. It should be much better. I was using the external mic for a little while there, and while riding, it was okay, but it's just the wind noise, getting up to speed and things like that. If I turned my head the wrong way, it would completely kill all my audio. So, old Tactical Shepherd. If you're local to me, check them out. Tactical Shepherd, J-Lo's Guns. That's where I give all my local business to. This is a nice windy road. I don't know what the speed limit is here. What's this? Never been through here. Rhodes Mountain Estates. No outlet. We've never been through any of these areas here. I really hope my GoPro doesn't bug out on me. Man, I would not want to live right next to that tower. God bless y'all. Oh, look at the turtle. Little guy right there. We're just gonna bust a U-turn here because I think that this probably ends up here. Might go up to this tower, I don't know. Actually, let's go see. Thinking about getting some trees eliminated around my property And I want to keep all my woods, obviously, but get a lot of the trees eliminated around my property, because I want to do something kind of like what they had over there. I want to get a pool put in, nice outdoor grilling area. That's what I would like to do. I'm gonna have to make a video for you guys and give you guys an update on my property and what we've been doing. My wife's been building a nice little homestead, man. It's turning out really good. We got a bunch of chickens, we got some ducks. We were working on our chicken run yesterday because my wife and my oldest son, she had my oldest son working on it. You know, teenagers, they like to half-ass a lot of stuff, and she never went over and inspected the stuff that he did, and he half-assed the gating, the fencing and stuff in some areas. We had a bunch of raccoons getting in at night, so our chicken door is automatic. It opens up at a certain time and it closes at a certain time. And my wife liked to leave the food inside the chicken run, and thankfully, because raccoons, I don't know if any of you guys know, raccoons will eat your chickens. They will completely eat them. So anyways, they were getting into the run because they didn't properly secure the chicken wire, the fencing around where the trees come up through the run, because we got a bunch of woods on our property, a bunch of trees on our property. I think I fixed that yesterday. He had the door put on wrong, so there was a big old gap. And I asked my wife, I'm like, why do you have such a gap on the door? And she's like, that's how it came. And I looked at it, I'm like, no, this is why it's got a gap. And she said that my son put it together, which is fine. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have to make a video for you guys, give you guys a tour of the property and what we've done so far. And I'm actually in the process of working on a little track, because my daughter, we're getting her a dirt bike for her birthday, and she can't wait to start riding. And I'm gonna make a little, like a little mini moto track around the property and into the woods and stuff, and I'm just gonna rip it on this. And I think I'm gonna be buying a 110 here soon, so I could rip around the property with her. Could be pretty fun, man. Make some jumps in the woods. Damn, hitting the shoulder of a big ass bug or something. There you can see our Chesapeake Bay out there, Susquehanna River. Our weather has been phenomenal this past week. It's a little muggy today when you're just standing around, but when you're riding, it feels like 75. It feels amazing. Really, really nice. It's a nice state park here. We have our own beach, shelters, camping and campgrounds, cabins and stuff that way. The beach is actually really nice. Unfortunately, the lighthouse, Turkey Point Lighthouse, is closed still. They haven't really, you can't even get down towards to look at the parking lot. They got it blocked off on the road a little ways ahead of it, so nothing to see there. I want to go see what that is real quick. All right, we're going to get some speed here going, guys. You ready? You ready? Let me turn my blinker off. Look at that. There we go. There we go. So I got the 50 miles an hour, and I didn't run out first gear. I didn't wind out my gears either. I thought that this was a neighborhood. It's not a neighborhood. Johnson Family Wilderness Campground. That's a walking path. I don't know what this is. I don't feel like getting stopped by anybody. The last thing I want to do. Looks like it's some type of church thing or something. I mean, which is weird because the state park is right here, and that said campground, and they got trails and stuff in here. And yeah, I guess this is a summer camp of some sort. Yeah, see, look, you're right on the water. I'm gonna have to look into this. Another frisbee thing. Man, I'm gonna look into this. It looks like this is like the dorms when you're staying for the summer. Pioneer Campground, Perkins Pool. They've got trails for you to go through and hike. God bless you until we meet again. I was hoping that this was going to be a road that was going to probably run us down along the side of the water, but it doesn't look like it's going to. Well, I think that's just about going to do it for us for this video. Hopefully everything with my GoPro turns out good. Hopefully everybody enjoyed this little ride along. Every time I come out, I find something new, just within right here around my house, which is nice. So many super nice roads. Adventure Zach is out. I will catch everybody on the next one. Peace.